Ooga Ooga! Welcome to MasterChef Cavemen. On tonight's episode, 2 up-and-coming chefs enter the arena, but only one will leave with the coveted shiny pebble. Let's meet our contestants. Ugg is an ambitious young chef who likes to experiment in the kitchen.
I'm expanding my tribe's taste palates. Culinary fusion is a way of life. I know I'm the best. I've got the wall of trophies to prove it. But once I win that shiny pebble, that will complete my collection.
Our next contestant, Gork, comes from a humble background. His staples are rustic, home-cooked meals.
Kyle?
Now, let's meet our celebrity judge, Dorgon Mamrey.
I'm coming into this with the highest expectations. These two better deliver. If there's one thing out of place, I'll eat them for dinner instead. No mercy.
Contestants have 30 minutes to create a complete dish. Whatever they create, they must make use of 4 mystery ingredients.
Chefs, welcome to the kitchen.
Thank you, Chef.
Are you ready to see your ingredients?
Yes, Chef.
The mystery ingredients for this episode are lion steak, killed fresh this morning, a pile of sticks, a truffle-infused cayenne pepper hot sauce, and some dirt.
Contestants, get ready to cook, because your time starts now.
Ugg begins by prepping his dirt. Watch as Gork carefully tenderizes the wood. We see Ugg incorporating local herbs into his dish. A creative and unexpected use of the hot sauce.
Ugg clearly knows what he's doing. Excellent technique.
Gork thinks he's king shit. But what he doesn't know is that I totally slept with his sister. And once I win this contest, I got my eye on his wife.
Oh my. After sampling the wrong mushroom, it appears Gork is having a bad trip. A difficult obstacle with only 5 minutes remaining. L'utilisation accrue de cuit fondu marquera le début d'une nouvelle ère de civilisation. Ah, j'adore la carotte. It is now or never. Dorgon Mamrey will now taste the contestants' dishes.
Ugg, what have you prepared for me today?
Lion stew, Chef.
Savory, delicious. There's lots of flavor here. I'm tasting some tarragon, and I like that you've incorporated both the sticks and the dirt. Excellent work.
Thank you, Chef.
Gork, what have you prepared for me today? Savory, delicious. There's lots of flavor here. I'm tasting some tarragon, and I like that you've incorporated both the sticks and the dirt. Excellent work.
There's no way Gork's stew tastes as good as mine!
I've come to my decision. It was a difficult choice, but ultimately, the better chef won. Gork.
What?
I couldn't let Ugg win. He told me he wanted to shag Gork's wife. That guy is creepy.